When the people expose and open up, they also get in touch deeply with their feeling, with their emotion. When you start to see somebody with their emotion, all different kind, then you start to sense it, then you start to feel it. In life, we don't feel that. In life, people, they don't express emotion. People express thoughts, people express beliefs, but they don't express emotion, they don't express the feelings. There is a tremendous fear of feelings. In the process, because of the container and because of the trust and the love of the field, people are, when they expose themselves, expose their feeling and their emotion. So you start to sense all different rainbow of emotion, all different rainbow of feeling. And in that sensing, in that understanding, you become like a more aware the whole variety of emotion in people. It's not conceptual, it's like you sense that, like you sense the sun on your skin, or like you sense the cold of the weather, like you can sense the feeling and emotions.